Okay, I am Rohani Dipatuan. I am about to present the SPSS per example. So suppose that we have the following here, the carbs and the carb sample, the carbs protein. Okay, so we can just check the data view and the variable view of the following, which is already given. Okay. Um, so as you can check, as you can see here, the carbs and the carbs protein is already given, uh, came from the respondents, and we're going to make it into SPSS. Okay, so in the variable view, we have here the carbs and the carbs protein, and its label. We can edit it to the carbs and carbs protein. And then, so check the following values, missing columns, and align. Make sure that the rules is to be clicked as none, and the measure will be scale. Should be, the rules again should be in none. Also, the measure should be in scale. Okay, and then we go back to the data view. So we have here the following again. And then we'll go to transforms and type difference. Uh, and then in the below the difference, we have here the types and the labels. And transfer it to the numerical expression. The carbs protein. Okay, so the entry will be seen there. And then we will go back to the SPSS data view, and the entry is already there. And then we are now ready to check the analyze. We will go to the analyze descriptive status, and then the explore, and type. We're going to click the difference. Then we're about to difference and the statistic, and then click the factors, the normality, and then okay. And then there's also another information there. And then the output is seen already, as you can see there. Okay, so we have here the, as you can see, the explore, the case processing summary, and the test. Okay, so another is you will go to the analyze descriptive status, or compared means into paired sample test, and then click the carbs protein distance, Okay, and the third variable should be in 1 and 2. Okay, and type the curves and the curves distance there. And we have also to go to the red sample t-test and confidence interval to types 95. Okay, then click the option and the entry is already in there. We have here the samples, paired sample statistic and paired sample coloration, also the paired sample test. Okay, so in the other side, we have here the title, the notes, paired sample statistic and paired sample correlation and paired sample test entry. Okay, and then click the files and the data. Okay, we have about to save the data on your own reference. Okay, and then you can see the entry there. The casino age with heart rate changers are VO2 max to the data view or the variable view of the following. Uh, you are also going to check the following if it is in a uh, good entry. Like the rules, it should be all should be none. Okay, and we will go back to the data view and then check again the casino age with heart rate